Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru. In this video, we will go through the 49 important general knowledge questions related to computer and its applications. These questions are very important and asked in the exams like SSC, railway exams, banking exams, UPSC and the other competitive exams. So let us start with the questions and its answers. So the first question is the length of the word through which computer does the measurement. Option A byte, option B is beat, option C meter and option D is millimeter. So the answer is bit, option B. The next question is 1 kilobyte 1 KB is equivalent to. Option A 1000 byte, option B 1024 byte, option C 10,000 byte and option D 1 lakh byte. So the answer is option B 1024 byte. The next question is the memory word of the computer is associated with. Option A logic, option B control, option C input, option D storage and the answer is storage. The size of the memory depends upon. Option A is address lines, option B database, option C disk space, option D all of these and the answer is address lines. So the size of the virtual memory depends upon the address lines. Next question is the fastest printer in the computer is. Option A laser printer, option B jet printer, option C thermal printer, option D daisy wheel printer. So the answer is option A, that is laser printer. The next question is which one of the following is the scientific language of the computer. Option A basic, option B COBOL, option C Fortran and option D, that is Pascal, PASCAL. The answer is Fortran, option C. The next question is the computer language which is specially used in the commercial activities is. Option A Fortran, option B basic, option C COBOL, option D Pascal. So the answer is option C, that is COBOL. Next question is the high level computer language like English language is. Option A Fortran, option B Pascal, option C COBOL and option D, that is C++. The answer is option C COBOL, which is a high level computer language like English language. The next question is the program language used for the computer scientific calculation is. Option A basic, option B Fortran, option C COBOL, option D Pascal. The answer is Fortran. Next question is the language which the computer understands and through which the processing in the computer occurs is called. Option A American language, option B machine language, option C secretly decoded language and option D none of these. So the answer is option B, that is machine language. The next question is the computer grid is. Option A hardware component of the computer, option B a software inner structure in which a number of calculative systems are attached, option C a primitive prototype of the supercomputer, option D a hardware component of long hadron assembly for the nuclear research. So the answer is option B, that is a software inner structure in which a number of calculative systems are attached. The next question, which one of the following software is the word processing software? Option A PageMaker, option B WordStar, option C MS Word, Microsoft Word, option D, that is all of these. So the answer is all of these. So all the softwares are word processing softwares. The next question is The system through which the data by the means of telephone and with the help of binary signals are transported is called option A modem, option B monitor, option C mouse, and option D OCR. The answer is option A, that is modem. The next question is the Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on option A 1st of December, option B 2nd of December, option C 19th of December, and option D 22nd of December. So the answer is 2nd of December. The next question, Microsoft Word is an example of option A an operating system, option B an input device, option C a processing device, option D an application software. Answer is option D an application software. Microsoft is an institution. Option A where microchip is prepared, option B where the software are developed, option C of microengineering, and option D where the hardwares are developed. So the Microsoft is an institution, option B, that is where the softwares are developed. Which one of the following is called information gateway? Option A email, option B pager, option C cellular phone, and option D is internet. So the answer is option D, that is internet. The next question is which one of the following is permitted under the Bluetooth technology? Option A wireless communication between the equipments, option B only signal transmission on the mobile phones, option C mobile phone communication through landline, option D satellite television communication. So the answer is option A, that is wireless communication between the equipments. Next question is what is the meaning of RAM in the context of computer? Option A recent and ancient memory, option B random access memory, option C read and memory, and option D recall all memory. So the answer is option B, that is random access memory. The next question is CAD implies option A computer algorithm for design, option B computer aided design, option C computer application in design, and option D none of these. So the answer is computer aided design, CAD. The next question is the computer language Fortran is frequently used in the area of option A business, option B graphics, option C science, option D commerce. So the answer is science. The next question is the first computer language developed for the program is option A Fortran, option B Pascal, option C COBOL, and option D is BASIC. So the answer is option A, that is Fortran. The next question is which one of the following products is sold in the market by the name of Pentium brand? Option A mobile chip, option B computer chip, option C computer, and option D is microprocessor. So the answer is microprocessor. The next question is which one of the following is not a computer language? Option A basic, option B C, option C fast, and option D is Fortran. So the answer is fast, option C, which is not a computer language. The next question is the inventor and a propounder of WWW was option A Bill Gates, option B Lee and Frion, option C N Russell, option D Tim Berners-Lee. So the answer is option D, that is Tim Berners-Lee. The next question is the first population free computerized petrol pump has been installed at option A New Delhi, option B Chandigarh, option C Mumbai, and option D Noida. So the answer is option C Mumbai. The next question is the political party which has opted firstly its own website in India is option A BJP, option B INC, option C DMK, option D AIDMK. AIADMK. So the correct answer is option A, that is BJP. Next question is which of the following supercomputer project has been developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center, that is BARC. Option A Parampadam, option B FO Solver, option C CHIPS, and option D Anupam. So the answer is option D, that is Anupam, which was developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC. The next question is usually the memory of computer is expressed in kilobyte or megabyte. One byte is made up of option A 8 binary digits, option B 2 binary digits, option C 8 decimal digits, and option D all of the above. So the answer is 8 binary digits equal to 1 byte. The next question is 1024 kilobyte is equal to option A 1 megabyte, option B 1 gigabyte, option C 10 kilobyte, and option D 1024 byte. So the answer is option A, that is 1 megabyte. Next question is the WAN is the acronym of option A Wide Area Network, option B World Annual Network, option C Web Area Network, and option D World Area Network. The answer is option A, that is Wide Area Network, that is WAN. The next question is the OMR is the acronym of option A Optical Marker Record, option B Optical Marker Record, and option C Optical Marker Reader, and option D Optical Making Record. The answer is option C, that is Optical Marker Reader. The next question is the fax is the acronym of option A Facsimile Automated Xerox, option B Facsimile Access Xerox, option C Fully Automated Xerox, and option D Fair Automated Xerox. The answer is option A Facsimile Automated Xerox. The world first electronic computer was option A ENIAC 1, option B EDVAC, option C EDSAC, and option D UNIVAC, UNIVAC. The answer is option A, that is ENIAC 1, ENLAC-1. The Apple, DCM, etc. are the computers of option A first generation, option B second generation, option C third generation, and option D is fourth generation. So the answer is option 4, that is option D, that is fourth generation. The computer PACE was developed by option A BARC Mumbai, option B IIT Bombay, option C DRDO New Delhi, option D none of these. So the answer is option C, that is DRDO New Delhi. The CPU of the computer is a part of option A software, option B hardware, option C an operating system, and option D an application program. So the answer is option B, that is hardware. Which of the following is the high level language of computer through which all computer works? Option A Forth, option B Logo, option C Pascal, and option D Basic. So the answer is option A, that is Forth. The next question is the high level computer language which is frequently used by secondary level students of India is option A Komal, option B Logo, option C Prolog, and option D is Forth. So the answer is option A, that is Komal. The next question is the largest computer network of India is option A Indonet, option B Anupam, option C Indonet, and option D Param dash 10,000. So the answer is Indonet, option C. The next question is who coined the word software? Option A J.W. Tukey, option B J.W. Newman, option C Alan Turing, and option D none of these. So the answer is option A J.W. Tukey, or Tuckey you can say. The next question is the Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on option A 1st of December, option B 13th of October, option C 1st of July, and option D 2nd of December. So the answer is option D, that is 2nd of December. The next question is the Global Positioning System GPS, which is a space and time-based radio navigation system, is basically owned by option A UK, option B USA, option C France, and option D is Germany. So the answer is option B, that is USA. The next question is the first digital computer of the world is option A Deep Blue, option B ENIAC, option C Craig is, and option D FlowSolver. So the answer is option B, that is ENIAC. The most popular search engine Google was invented by option A Larry Page and Sergey Brin, option B Robert E. Kahn, option C Sergey Brin, and option D Vint Cerf. The answer is option A, that is Larry Page and Sergey Brin. The first computer magazine was option A Computer World, option B Computer and Automation, option C Computer and Program, and option D none of these. So the answer is option B, that is Computer and Automation. The first practical digital computer of the world is option A UNIVAC, option B FlowSolver, option C Deep Blue, and option D Craig is. The answer is option A, that is UNIVAC. The most frequently used operating system of the computer is option A Chrome, option B Windows, option C Linux, and option D Unix. So the answer is option B, that is Windows. The speed of the CPU is called option A clock speed, option B clock pulse, option C clock span, and option D clock vibration. So the answer is option A, that is clock speed. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for such more informative videos. Also click on the bell icon to get the upload updates. Thank you so much.